In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show notes in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Managing your notes can be a crucial part of delivering a smooth and effective presentation. So, first things first, if you need to add or edit your notes before you start presenting, you'll want to make sure that the Notes panel is open. To open this panel, look to the bottom of your PowerPoint window where you'll see a Notes button in the status bar. Just give it a click, and voila! The text field at the bottom opens right up, allowing you to input or edit any notes you want to include. If you don't see that button or want to toggle it from somewhere else, you can also find the option under the View tab at the top of your screen. Once you've got your notes squared away, it's time to transition into your presentation mode. This is where you'll really want to capture your audience's attention. Navigate to the Slideshow tab at the top of your PowerPoint window and select From Beginning. This will launch your presentation in full screen mode, giving your slides the spotlight they deserve. Now, if you want to see your notes while presenting, and who wouldn't, you can turn on Presenter View. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on the active presentation screen. In the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Show Presenter View and select that. Alternatively, if you prefer, there's another route. You can click on the three dots located in the bottom left controls and select Show Presenter View from there. When you enable this feature, your main monitor will show your slides prominently, while you also see a timer to help keep track of your pacing. But the best part? You'll have a preview of your next slide and your private speaker notes right in front of you. This really helps ensure you stay on track and remember what you want to say next. Now let's go over the differences when you want to hide or show notes during a presentation. If you find that the notes are distracting and you'd prefer not to see them, just minimize the Notes panel in Presenter View. You can easily toggle this whenever you need to focus on the slides alone or when you're adjusting your delivery. But if you're ready to go back to seeing those notes, it's just a matter of restoring the panel from your Presenter View options. Things like this can greatly enhance your delivery and boost your confidence while presenting. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, before hitting that stage to present, try running through your slides and notes a few times using Presenter View. This way, you'll get comfortable with switching between what's visible to your audience and what you need for yourself. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to effectively manage your notes in PowerPoint and ensure you deliver a polished presentation. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or someone just starting out, these tips are valuable tools in your presentation toolbox. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful. Happy presenting!